Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. I am J Adaviruku. Today I want to show you how to capture coordinates in Mobile Topographer. So let's go to our phone. So on our phone, the first thing is to enable your data connectivity and also enable location. So after you have enabled this, your data and location, so you come to your app list and search for Mobile Topographer. So if you have not installed it, just go to Play Store and download and install. This is its Mobile Topographer. Click to launch it. So when you open it, this is how the interface looks like. So what you want to do is to capture coordinates. To capture coordinates, click on Survey. So when you click on Survey, it will display information like this, waiting to connect. So it will connect to satellites before it can give us the reading. So depending on the strength of your internet connectivity, so it has connected. Now it has connected to 5 satellites now out of 13 available. So if you notice, this is the latitude and this is the longitude. This is the elevation. The values here are changing constantly, so it will be very difficult for you to write or note down these figures. So what to do is that you come here, say start accuracy positioning. This is where you can do it. You click on this symbol, click on it. When you click on it, you notice that the page under is displaying the same information with the one here. So you can see the information here is the one being replicated here. So you wait for a few seconds for the accuracy, then you click on this red button to stop accurate positioning. So when you click on this, you realize that these values are stopped changing, so it's not fluctuating like this again. So which means you can now copy this value directly from here. So this is how to use Mobile Topographer to capture coordinates of your locations. So you can now copy this one from here. Thank you for watching this video.